Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at this WEEM supplement. And now in this video, we're gonna talk a little bit about this supplement and help you know what you can expect when you get this. Now, first off, I just wanted to show you, this is the bottle that the WEEM comes in right here. You will notice it has a kind of a cool design on it, but I did wanna mention that it does say 60 gummies here. Now, if we go ahead and unscrew this lid here, I actually left it loose just so I could get to it easily with the camera in my other hand, but it does close really nice and tightly, which I really appreciate. There was actually a seal up at the top here, as well as the lid was also sealed on, so a double seal system, which I really appreciate. But these are the gummies right here. You can kind of see them on the inside there. Now I want to go ahead and actually pour them out so you can kind of get an idea of how big they are here, but this is the size here. You can see they're kind of a little bit hollow in the back, but if we flip one over, you'll see they're actually little kind of like bunny character shape, so cute little gummies there. But overall, I've been really impressed with this WEEM supplement. I think it's really nice that you get 60 here in this bottle, and for that reason, I would highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.